good morning or good day. Dito is afternoon. Norway time is 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Yan. Mag-vlog ulit tayo. And then, yung i-vlog natin today is we gonna eat another mango. Kakain ulit tayo ng mangga. Mango. Ayan. Another vlog about ripe mango. Eating mango with bagoong. Or, ano ba yung bagoong sa English? It's a paste. Fish paste. Basta, it's bagoong like this. Oh. So, let's eat our bagoong with mangga. Bagoong na may mangga. Sobrang craving kasi ako. Tingnan nyo guys dito, our mangga here is color yellow. Not like in the Philippines, green, di ba? Dito sa amin is, yan, yellow. Dilawan tayo, dilawan. Dilawan. Oh, let's eat mango with bagoong. Yummy. Ang bagoong is medyo spicy. Kaya perfect sa mangga. So, ayan. Kain pa tayo.